like a burger. And the bread part, yeah, the bread part is bao. Gonna eat now. So right now I'm staying in Paris with my two friends Ikra and Samiha. We've been here for 2 nights already, and tonight I think we are going out. Wait, what time is it?
It is 9:39.
It's 9:39, and we just had dinner. We had like, me and Samiha got a takeaway from this bao bun place. I had like a kind of burger, so I just had some grapes with that. Delicious. So now I just need to get changed, and I think I'm gonna do a bit of makeup. I don't actually know what I'm wearing yet. Either this denim skirt or this black mini skirt with this black halter top, or this black dress which I got today because we went shopping. We went to Brandy and I got a few things and some vintage shops. I got this shirt and this dress and some jewelry. But yeah, I'll do a quick little Airbnb tour. It's not very big because obviously there's only 3 of us. This is Ikra and Samiha's room. I mean, my section is a mess as well, but... And then we have the lovely bathroom. It doesn't have a door, which is really functional, especially when we're having showers. And then we have this little toilet slash laundry room, which is really nice. There's also no sink. Again, really functional. And then this like big kind of living room. This is my bed, because obviously that's their room, so... I volunteered for the sofa bed though, don't worry. We haven't used the TV.
And there's a TV in our room.
I know, we've got 2 TVs, we haven't used them.
We'll use it tonight just to get like this.
This is like where I get ready. I've got all my stuff here, cute mirror. And this is like the kitchen area. It's honestly a mess right now. It doesn't look good.
The one time you decide to
Yeah, there's Ikra sitting on her little chair. Little kitchen tour, nice pizza box, dirty dishes. Very empty fridge. And then we have these really nice balconettes. I think this is honestly the best part of the apartment. Okay, now I actually need to get changed. Ikra's practicing her model walk. I decided on this outfit, the black mini skirt and black halter neck top, and then these little heels.
You're a pretty little Barbie playing every time I got you, you do. So softly, how you feel me, how you watch me, you do. Baby, you keep me in your pocket with your keys and...
Yeah. Everybody get your motherfucking roll on. Doesn't want no slow song. Had a man last year, life goes on. Haven't let a thing loose.
With your wallet, you do. Yeah, you pressing on my buttons, you be turning to me on, yeah, you do. I like the way it feels to be on your screen.
Okay, we are all ready, right? Yeah? Oh.
You's a pretty little Barbie playing with me, Tamagotchi, you do.
So that is the end of the vlog. It's the next morning. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was probably quite a short video, but anyway, it's actually our last day in Paris today. If you want to see more from the trip, that'll be on Instagram.
I like the way it feels to be on your screen. Your skin on me, skin on me. I wish I could tell you what you wanna hear. Body made of plastic, melted.